Imagine moving to a new country to work as a scientist, software developer, or maybe an engineer. In the United States, skilled international workers need a special work permit known as the H-1B visa, and we all know about it. Every year, American technology companies and universities rely on these visas to hire thousands of talented experts, especially from the countries like India and China. Usually obtained, one of the visa cost remains between 2,000 to 5,000 in the official fee. However, the Trump administration tied a change rule to adding a massive 100,000, yes, 100,000 fees for every new H-1B visa. Now, a US visa district court judge struck down the policy, calling it illegal. Shortly after, a three-judge appeal court in the panel, Boston agreed to refuse and to let fee take effect while the case is being applied. Key reason to the fee was struck down was that the judges gave three major reasons why the government could not enforce the huge financial charge. It was an unlawful tax, not a simple fee. The court decided that charging 1 lakh USD goes far beyond covering administrative cost. It acts like a heavy tax on them. The US government system, the Congress that it writes in the law, has now constitutional powers to create taxes, not the president or any executive branch on their own. Congress didn't give the clerical permission, though, referring to a landmark 1989 Supreme Court ruling that the judges explained that the executive branch must show the Congress explicitly and clearly giving the authorities that impose big financial burdens. The administration failed in covering the Congress of 100,000 visa fee. 20 US officials sued the federal governments over the policy. They showed that high costs would now severely hurt the local economies, the schools, and the tech companies that desperately need skilled workers. Now, the government argued that this harm would be minimal, but they failed to provide the evidence to back up the claim. Now, what does this decision mean for Indians? Because the court blocked the policy, American companies can continue hiring the skilled international experts without paying the extra 1 lakh USD fee. For tens of thousands of foreigner workers, well, the US business and the ruling keeps normal and affordable as the visa processes keeps intact. So now we are clear about why this major fee was struck down. But I'm eager to know what you think about this. Make sure to comment down below.